Look at it. It is so tasty. It's so good. I have me some garlic. I'm gonna add me a cup of brown sugar. Then I'm gonna add, and I typically don't measure. I'm just gonna add enough soy sauce to melt all of this together. Okay, that looks about good. I'm gonna add a handful of pepper flakes because I like it spicy. Add me some sesame seeds. And then about like a tablespoon or so of roasted sesame oil. That's about right. Give it a good mix. Oh, forgot my ginormous green onion. I'm just gonna snip it in like this. Oops. That's good enough, I guess. Okay, mix around like so until you get something that looks like this. And now you throw your meat in, but oops, let me put this in. I don't want to cook big old slices like this, so I'm gonna do it. I'll probably cut them in half, like so, like that big. Throw it in. All right, this is about 2 pounds of it. So now I'm just gonna give it some love, like that. When I cook for my family, I don't do a lot of measuring, right? I measure by heart. All right. Make sure you drench all of these in the marinade. So there you have it. This is how it looks a few hours later. I'm just gonna line my meat. Okay. Squeeze one more in right here. Last one in. Now I'm gonna air fry it. And there you have it.